Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand, or the I think they are more brand than a house, but the brand Aneeq. This is another brand from Middle East, from United Arab Emirates. They have quite an extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio. I reviewed, unboxed and reviewed at least 2 of them before, and they impressed me, especially for the price. So when I saw this beauty for under £30, I had to get it and give you my thoughts on it. If you be patient and do your research, you can even find it cheaper than that price. Okay, so this one is the box. Oh, before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your support, your love will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, and let's go. So as you can see, all over white box, very pretty box. As always, the Middle Eastern house, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price. And this one in particular called Oud Maraam Eau de Parfum 100 ml. And here we go. If you hear any background noise, sorry about that. The neighbor it's been more than 3 months. They having the building work, and I cannot control it. So I just can apologize for that. Sorry about that. I'm annoyed more than you, and I'm fed up with it, but what can I do? Anyway, so as you can tell, you can see beautiful presentation. This is a very heavy bottle. It's all over white, and it says Oud Maraam. Oud Maraam Eau de Parfum 100 ml. The very good presentation, very beautifully done. And here we go. The cap is plastic, the atomizer is modern, and here we go. Sprayer, very good sprayer. Okay, so far so good. Oud Maraam by Aneeq. How is the first sniff, first impression? Here we go. Ho, beauty. So first thing it hits me is the sweetness. This is very sweet. So from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is for first sniff, first impression, is around 8. So it's quite sweet. Big citrus. So citrus is here, is very well done and very juicy. I can smell something like bergamot, I can smell something like lemon, I can even smell something like orange or maybe mandarin. Orange, between orange and mandarin. It's very juicy, it's very inviting, it's very happy citruses. Very spicy. So after sweetness is the citrus, and after citrus is the spices. The spices here is amalgamation of spices. So I can smell something herbal, green. I can smell something like cinnamon. I can smell something like maybe even cumin in here, because it's got that you know, that oriental or that mysterious feel to it in terms of spices. I can smell some floral backbone in here. It's definitely rose and maybe even jasmine, because it's got some white floral feel to it as well. But the rose here is not huge. It's quite subdued right now and is in the background, but it could come forward later on. By the way, this is targeted unisex, and to my nose is absolutely bang in the middle. Woman and men can wear it, no problem at all. There is nothing in here to give it uber masculine or uber feminine, so this is bang in the middle. Okay, smell woody backbone to it again, but the woods here is quite clean. It's not very clean, but it's quite clean. There's no funkiness, there's no oud, there's no those barnyard, nothing like that. But it says Oud Maraam. So far there's no wood in here, but I can feel the woods. I can feel at least cedar, or maybe even sandalwood in here to give it that feel of the woodiness plus the smoothness, and it's quite rounded. It's got a little bit of greenness to it. It's like a grassy green feel to it. I'm not sure, is that come from the herbal, or is it something more, maybe like a cypress in here, so be giving it that leafy green grassy, it's a bit of earthiness as well. So, and also it could be a little bit of patchouli in here, because I'm getting a little bit of that earthy, rooty, little bit of chocolatey feel to it. But it's not a huge play again at the moment in the background, but it's there and is noticeable. So far so good. I can smell something musky as well, but again, quite clean musk. So the white coloring is quite appropriate, because this is quite a bright, quite happy fragrance, but it's not super bright, it's not super happy, it's not super fresh. So it is semi-fresh, but it's done very well. It's very rounded, it's very smooth, it's very pretty, and so far so good. I'm smelling so many aspects, so many different different facet to it, and also nuances coming up and introducing themselves. So for that is very, very good. Absolutely, I think for the money, they are doing a fantastic job here. By the way, in the United Kingdom, it's quite readily available under £30, but if you want it cheaper than under £30, you have to do your research and be a little bit patient, because I paid less than that for this. So for that, I'm very, very happy with this. It's just mesmerizingly beautiful. It's one of those fragrances you can use it all year round. Right now, it smells like you can use it in summer, no problem. Yeah, you can use it in summer, no problem, because again, it's got a freshness to it. It's got that clean feel to it, but at the same time, it's quite deep and dense and sweet and spicy, herbal, woody, little bit of earthiness, green, leafy. So everything is in here at the moment. It shouts. You can easily use it in summer, but because it's got depth and density to it, you can use it in winter as well. Less spray in summer, more spray in the winter. In the next video, I'll let you know the performance, longevity, and things like that. But for now, it's absolutely gorgeous. I give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. I'm loving it. It's got a little bit of ambery feel to it as well, but again, it's at the moment in the background. It could come forward later on, but at the moment, little bit of amber. But again, the amber is here. It's not a resinous, deep, dark amber. It's quite bright and happy and sweet amber. So it's not a dense and dark amber. Tiny bit of leathery feel to it as well, but again, the leather here looks like more like suede than dark dense leather. It's like a suede, like a bright leather, but you can feel it, something in the background there giving it that leather feel. Overall, it's very, very good. It's quite complex. I'm loving it. Yes, yes, yes. Next video, I'll let you know everything else you need to know. But for first impression, 2 thumbs up. Absolutely loving it. And this is, as I said, bang in the middle of unisex. In terms of season, all year round. In terms of occasion, this is quite on the opulent side. So I would say maybe a special occasion. Although you can use it casually as well, but definitely smells like a special occasion, going out, evening, formal, and things like that. And in terms of age, this is, I can't say it's ageless, but a little bit, because it's complex. I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side, because at the end of the day, this is oriental, this is complex, this is, you know, layered, multifaceted, nuanced. So I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side. And I will let you know again with the rest of the story of this fragrance. Okay guys, thank you very much as always for joining me. Don't forget to hit those buttons to help me and encourage me and motivate me to make videos like this. Your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, They are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, and amazing value for money. But you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links there in the description below as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.